She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, thank you guys. Thank you for just even clicking on this video. Thank you to my new subscribers, and of course a huge thank you to my old subscribers for still rocking with your girl. So in this video I am showing you guys how basically my process of doing faux locks. So we're just gonna get straight into that. So starting out, I section out the hair to do single plaits. I counted, but I do not remember the exact amount now, but I believe that I did about 65-ish plaits total. So if you wanted to use that to estimate, like, you know, your size of your braids or whatever, I did around 65. And when I do my plaits, I pretty much braid it down to about 2 inches. I don't braid it all the way down. I also am not adding the curly hair to the plaits as I'm braiding. I only do that if the client's hair is a lot shorter. Her hair is a pretty good length, so all I needed to do was braid it just a couple inches. And so I did that throughout her entire head. I like to do the plaits first so that I'm not going back and forth with braiding and having to crochet and wrap the hair. So the plaits was my first step. So now obviously I'm doing square parts. If you want, you can definitely do rounded parts for this, and you can also even do triangle parts. I have yet to do triangle parts for this look. I haven't had anyone come to me requesting triangle parts for faux locks. Maybe one day I'll offer it to someone and see if that's something they'd be interested in, because I would love to do it and just see, you know, the turnout of it. Doing the braid down and doing the plaits of this look is going to be the quickest part of doing this style. You're going to zoom through. The thing that's the most time consuming is actually wrapping the lock. So that's what's going to take up the majority of your time. So this is the hair that we use. Actually, normally when I do this style, I use a different brand. I use Cuban twist hair, but this worked fine. And then this is the curly crochet hair that we use. I'm gonna use 2 of those. You'll need a crochet hook, and then you'll need nail glue. I've heard some people say that they don't need any glue. They don't put anything at the ends. Now, I need to know the trick on how y'all get these locks to stay put. If y'all doing it like that, somebody needs to let me know. Because, baby, I'm definitely using something to secure the ends. I do recommend it. I've also heard people say that they use freeze spray, which I use freeze spray if it's like soft locks, you know, like a softer textured hair. But this hair is so rough, I'm scared that the freeze spray won't be strong enough to hold it. So I do use nail glue. But if you guys, if anybody that's watching this video uses freeze spray or does not use anything at all, y'all gotta let me know the trick and let me know if this freeze spray actually works. So, all right, I will show you guys again how I crocheted from the beginning. But for every lock, I use 1 piece of the curly crochet hair, and then I use 2 pieces of the Cuban twist hair to wrap it around. Actually, I use 2 pieces to wrap it around, and then when I get to the ends, I use half of another piece to get it to my desired length. They don't make these too long. Like, I'm just not. Anyway, so that's the half that I use. I had just cut one of the Cuban twist hair in half, and I'm just using that half to get it to my desired length. And so when I'm putting the glue, I like to apply the glue and then wrap over the nail glue, because the glue does dry white and I don't like it to show that. So I will put a little dot of the glue on the hair and then wrap over that glue to pretty much hide it. So once I get to my desired length, then I begin to wrap upward until the hair is no longer. And I will just place a little drop of glue, and then still again I'm wrapping over the glue to hide it when it dries. And then I just palm roll it in my hand, and that's pretty much it. All right, so then I'm just showing you guys a couple more times all of the steps. So again, I'm using one piece of the curly crochet here to crochet. That's going to just be basically the base. And then I use 2.5 pieces of the Cuban twist hair to wrap it around. Now, one thing I didn't mention is so you see that I'm cutting it in half, and that's going to be my little piece there at the bottom that I add in just to extend the length to where I need it to be. So again, one thing that I didn't mention was that when I add that half piece there at the bottom, I do add a drop of glue just to secure it. I know you guys probably seen it, but I didn't explain. I do add the glue when I add the half hair to secure it so that it does not come unravel in the middle. So yeah, I think that's it. Hopefully towards the end you guys will see me do what I do. I add some hair oil and some mousse, some other stuff. You guys will see it. That I don't really need to explain all of that at the end. But yeah, I'm going to let you guys continue to watch. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. Make sure to like this video if you do enjoy it, and then subscribe and turn on your bell notification so you can be notified anytime I post a video, because your girl got you. I'm coming out with a lot of videos, okay? So thank you guys again so much for your love and support. Thank you for clicking the video, and thank you for even getting this far in the video. Now, as y'all watching, I know y'all gonna see this wrist work, okay? No, I'm just kidding. Obviously, this video is sped up. I mean, I don't know. It's some people that really be rapping like as fast and faster than I'm rapping. You see this right here? This is sped up. But some people actually rap like this in real life. I need to learn the trick. Like, y'all need to put me on, because that would save me so much time. Well, anyways, as always, I hope everyone is blessed, stay safe, and filled with love and peace. And I'll talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.